Understanding blowout defeat in English. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, blowout defeat. This phrase is often used in sports, politics, and other competitive contexts. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and understanding, let's dive in. Blowout defeat refers to a situation where someone loses very badly in a competition. It's not just a simple loss, but a loss by a large margin. This phrase paints a picture of one side being completely overwhelmed by the other. It's often used in contexts where the outcome is surprisingly one-sided. The term blowout originally comes from the automotive industry, referring to a sudden bursting of a tire. Over time, the word evolved in sports to describe a game where one team overpowers another so decisively that the game is essentially over long before it officially ends. This dramatic imagery perfectly captures the essence of a blowout defeat. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. In sports, the basketball game ended in a blowout defeat for the visiting team, with a final score of 120-65. In politics, the election results were a blowout defeat for the incumbent, losing by over 20% of the vote. In personal competitions, the chess match was a blowout defeat, with one player losing in just a few moves. Now, let's practice using this phrase. Everyone was surprised by the blowout defeat in the soccer match yesterday. The debate ended in what many are calling a blowout defeat for the challenger. And that's a wrap on blowout defeat. Remember, this phrase is used to describe a situation where there's a clear and overwhelming loss. It's a vivid way to convey the extent of a defeat in various contexts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped enhance your understanding of this interesting English phrase. Stay tuned for more language learning content.